going over what this course has to offer, why you can trust me, and more in-depth view of this course. Let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Micah, and you are now going to learn about me and my course. My interests are sports, gaming, coding, friends, and winter. And some other things. I am 13 in grade 7 as of the start of 2020. I am an honors student with consistent A's and a heavy baseball player, and have always loved that sport. A bit about my experience. I am now reaching almost 10 months of Spigot experience and 5 years of server development, which means that I started when I was 8, which is absolutely crazy. The course will include an in-depth descriptions and lectures to make sure you always understand, a Discord server that I am here to help you, and as many others join, there will be a community to help you, Minecraft development and configuration, and even if you are an expert or you're not, you will go from beginners to experts. Let's talk about more about the Minecraft development and configuration part of this course. What's the difference? Minecraft development, and this part of the lecture or course, we will use Java and the Spigot API to create Minecraft plugins. We will do this inside of an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Minecraft configuration, in this part of the course or lecture, we use plugins that have already been made to do specific tasks that we customize via a YML file, which we will learn more about in the course, or a command. Give me some reasons to trust you. Some details about me so that you can maybe gain a little more trust is I'm a very trusted and have many vouchers from previous clients. I have past experience in pretty much all categories of Minecraft. Besides building, I'm still not great at that. I have made real money from the game, meaning people have liked my work enough to pay. Why should I get this course? Well, you can learn to make real life money that can help you out in the long run. So skills that you will learn from this course can be used to make money. I will not share how much I've made, but learning how to develop and configure is something a lot of server owners need and will pay for. Easy for beginners and experts. This course will teach you absolutely everything you need to know to keep repeating these processes. You can keep coming back to the lectures to get it stuck in your mind. It teaches 2 of the most wanted skills when making a server. This course has both Minecraft server needs packed into one thing. The course will teach you everything you need to know about Minecraft server. Not convinced? Let's take a look at some of the stuff we do in this course. We can look at the work we've already done and what you will learn. Now keep in mind, this is only about 3 hours of work, and there's expected to be a lot more. So just enjoy what we have right now. Alrighty, so as you can see here, I have the server that we have worked on quite a bit, and I decided to name it Skycraft, and this is a fake link, so do not go search that up because it won't show up with anything. Alrighty, so right away, you can see a lot of crazy stuff. We have installed Essentials, and we've installed VIA version, which you learn about in the course. VIA version allows players from all versions to join, and then this Essentials is just a super helpful plugin. Here you can see that we set up a super cool custom tab list, and you can see that I have an owner rank, and there is lots of other ranks. On the side here, you can see we have a scoreboard that it's super organized and unique, and I really like this style. We also have a few other things that you don't see in the lobby, but we did. And these things are called World Guard and World Edit. These allow it so players, or World Guard allows it so players cannot do specific things inside the lobby. Over here is a World Edit mess I never cleaned up, but we learned a lot about wands and setting and patterns, and just basic overviews of World Edit. Okay, so another thing that we set up is this, and then as you can see, I have not set it up to work yet, but we actually have created Bed Wars, not Sky Wars. And then this is all going to be filled up with minigames and lectures that you suggest. So, as you can see here, we have the Go to Hub and the Sky Wars, but none of that works. Alrighty, so I can actually do BW, join, and then Kingdom. Now, as you can see here, I am on the Kingdom map, and I've set my fly to enable for a second, and it doesn't work. That's absolutely lovely. But as you can see here, I've set up a complete Bed Wars with the generators, and the bed is up here. And we all set this up with our own configuration, and it's just super simple. As you can see, I cannot destroy my own bed. So this is why, this is the part of the lecture that is configuration. So I can do PEX, user, Sky Thunder, group, set, and then we can do VIP++, and then I can say hello. And as you can see, I have a prefix that is my rank. So that is the configuration section, but now let's go look at the development section. This is the plugin development part of the course. So as you can see here, we have two projects that we develop during the course. Now this one is called the lobby plugin, and this was a super basic plugin that we created that would allow you to set a lobby and then go to a lobby. So how we did this was we decided to save locations to our config, and then we would get the locations from memory when we needed to. So we also have a set lobby, which is the memory of the base. And what this does is it sets the lobby location, and then it gets it when a player requests it. Alrighty, so the next thing is the test. Now this one was just filled up with a bunch of random stuff, but we can just go over some of the basic stuff. Here we learned about scoreboards and how to create them. We used a scoreboard method to create new scoreboards, and then we added different scores to it one by one. The next thing we did was a join listener. So what we would do is we would broadcast, or the first thing we would do is we would set the join message to null. Then we would broadcast when a player joined the server, and then we would send the player a message, welcome to the server, and then player. Another thing we did was we got the strings, so this was the easy part of the config. And what we would do was we would get a string from the config, and then we would send that message to the player. Here was the first command I believe we made, which was really just explaining how everything worked. This just sends a simple help message to the player. Here, I don't think I ever published this lecture, but it was something that we did, and it was just creating an API. Here is our utils, which is just something super simple, and then our main class, which we also learned how to set up in the development part. So that is all for the development portion. I'll see you in the end screen. Alright everyone, thank you for listening this far. I hope you did enjoy this. I spent a lot of time creating this introduction so that I could get you caught into this and maybe teach you something new. So I hope that this would give you a good understanding and allows you to understand what this course is about and if it's right for you. If you do think this is something that you would enjoy or need, feel free to purchase it. It's only $20, plus there's a lot of discounts that goes around. And then if you don't purchase it, thank you anyway for listening this far. I hope you find what you're looking for if you're trying to make a server. That's all from me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll hope to see you in the course.